Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Traverse LT, stock number X409X. Only 13,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Traverse brand new, graphite metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seat 7, cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Traverse is a very safe vehicle. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Hoping to give it a 5-star overall government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage space in the rear. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, separate rear air control, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone front, climate, along with heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter V6, 310 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles per gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.